70s, but don't exist anymore. How about taking your disposable camera to get it developed? No idea if any of your pictures were even usable. And you paid all that money. How about picking someone up from the airport when you could wait for them at the gate, waiting for the bus or train without doing anything but just waiting? How about pressing play and record at the same time, renting movies, video games, VCRs, and game consoles? And of course, one of my favorites, calling the movie theater or looking up in the newspaper for movie times.
Make this the year you go to our iHeartRadio Music Festival.
Tickets are on sale now at AXS.com.
See Halsey, Sam Smith, Avril Lavigne, Black Eyed Peas, 15 acts, 2 nights, 1 stage. The biggest names from all genres of music. Diplo, Lionel Richie, LL Cool J, Marcus Mumford,
Maren Morris, Megan Thee Stallion,
Morgan Wallen,
Nicki Minaj, Pat Benatar,
The Black Keys.
Buy your tickets now at AXS.com.
Our 2022 iHeartRadio Music Festival.
September 23rd and 24th.
Arena here in Las Vegas. Stream it free on the CW app and CWTV.com.
Having the time of your life is more rewarding than ever when you visit any of the MGM resorts nationwide. With MGM Rewards, dine, stay, play, and earn on all of it. Get details at MGMRewards.com. Subject to earning and redemption limitations applicable to certain purchases and in certain states.
There's magic in the world.
People will tell you there isn't.
They just
Quiet.
and not ask questions.
Those people need 1-800-GOT-JUNK
When you've seen the magic,
and felt the magic.
you can no longer deny the magic.
We make junk disappear.
All you have to do is point.
And now we pause for a word from Charlotte, the junk fairy.
A friend is a person who always brings a little magic with them. Be a friend.
Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800-GOTJUNK.com.
When you're young, life is full of choices. Don't let opioids like highly addictive and deadly fentanyl take away your life and your choices with just one wrong pill. Addiction is a disease that can affect anyone at any age, but there is a choice to get help for this disease. Find medically proven treatment options, including virtual, at choosemap.org.
As a Shane Company jewelry consultant, I see so many customers who have struggled to find a wedding band at other stores. When they come to the company, they find the one. Not only do we have the widest selection of unique wedding bands, we are also experts at helping you find the perfect band to complement your engagement ring. Even if it's an heirloom ring. You can play around with stacking bands, try contour bands, or just go with something simple. There are so many options. We also have handsome men's bands, hundreds